So I bought this boat new in 1996. It didn't have anything on it. It had this live well and it did not have this trolling motor bracket, and it was set up without this framework, and this box was not here. That's how I got it when I bought it new. And there's where we're going forward. I will be giving updated videos to my project. So my plan is to take out this framework. This is going to go to the other side. There's going to be another one there, so there'll be 3 boxes. And then I'm going to try and come up with a rod locker all the way through here. And I'm going to keep a lot of the same stuff. I'm not going to take the whole boat apart, but in here I'm going to drill holes to put PVC tube in, so I can put the rod tips in there, and then they'll be laying in the boat on this side. And then I'm hoping to find another box like the one I have there, and I'll have 3 boxes. One of them is the live well, one will be my power distribution, and another one will be the glove box. Whatever, I don't know right now. Just preliminary, just getting my head wrapped around all of what I'm getting ready to do. So we got a little more done. I'm going to take the batteries and put them in the box. Went and ordered a new box today. That'll go there. I was thinking about putting it there, but the rib area won't fit. It's narrower there. So we'll be able to put it there, and that one is a live well hooked to the bottom of the boat. And that one will be battery storage. I'm going to try and put the batteries and the charger in that. And then I'll have dry storage for that. Put the switches and everything in that one. We got her all cleaned up. Taking the framework taken out. Now I'm going to try and get the batteries in that box. All right, it took a little persuasion. As you can see, I cut these holes here so the batteries go down in there. I mounted the battery charger. So my thinking is, over the top of this, I'm going to put a tray that's going to have the control unit in it. Just lay it on here and be able to set it on top of the batteries, and then hinge it up or take it out of the way when I need to move the batteries. So that's coming along, and this is what my hole looked like where my batteries were at. This was to level it up and bring it up out of the hole, and I did that about 2 years ago. I think it served its purpose. Coming along. Coming along.